Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 577 horsepower and 629 pounds of torque. This one does come with the night package with black accents on the exterior, 22-inch forged AMG wheels, AMG V8 bi-turbo badging on the fender, a classic red exclusive Napa leather interior. Also included is the exclusive interior package with a exclusive Napa leather dash, interior, Dynamica headliner, ambient lighting, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, G63 AMG badging, trailer hitch, clean set of AMG floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, heated and cooled seats, Burmeister sound system, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hotkeys for the media display, wireless charging for your key, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This G-Wagon has 15,638 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, visit us at feldmannimports.com.